the authority has launched investigation into the conduct of some PPOs operating in Kenya over allegations that they may have breached the PPO Act and other written laws in Kenya. For clarity, the authority wishes to state that out of the 16 organizations listed in the correspondences by the Principal Secretary of the Department of Foreign Affairs, only 3, and this one you need to note it, only 3 organizations are registered under the PPO Act 2013.
The current PPO Act requires organizations to file returns within 6 months after expiry of their financial year. The reason why they are filing these returns is for us to see and to advise national government on what they are doing, how they are doing it, and whether they are doing it within the provisions of the law. If, for instance, there is something that has been done outside the law, then we have Section 63 that allows us to delve in, conduct inquiries, and deal with whatever issues that arise that are within regulatory purview.